Whether you're carving through mountain passes or navigating the daily chaos of city traffic, we all know that as riders, we're the most vulnerable people on the road. A split second can change everything. In the aftermath of an incident, he said, she said doesn't hold up in court or with insurance. Having a reliable witness mounted to your bike isn't just a luxury anymore. It's a necessity for every modern rider. But with so many options, from 360-degree action cams to hardwired dual lens systems, how do you know which one is actually worth your hard-earned cash? I've spent hours digging into the latest 2026 specs, rider feedback, and technical data to narrow it down to the 7 best motorcycle dash cams you can get right now. We're going to look at everything from 4K resolution and waterproof ratings to clever features like Sentry Mode and voice guidance that can genuinely save your skin. So let's jump right in with a unique hybrid that combines safety with premium communication. Starting our list at number 7 is a bit of a hybrid that's perfect for the rider who wants a clean setup without cluttering their handlebars or adding multiple mounts. The Sena 50C. Sena is a heavyweight in the intercom world, but with the 50C, they've integrated a high-definition camera directly into their flagship mesh communication system. This solves the clutter problem beautifully. You don't have to mount a separate camera to your bike or a bulky action cam to the top of your lid. The 50C features an integrated camera that shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is plenty of detail to catch license plates or the sunset on a coastal run. The real secret sauce here is the sound by Harman Kardon. Both the speakers and the microphone are professionally tuned. This means the audio on your footage and the music in your ears is premium. During my research, I found that the voice-activated digital assistant is a standout. You can simply tell the device to take a photo or start recording without taking your hands off the grips. Because the camera is helmet-mounted, it sees exactly what you see. If you turn your head to check a side street, the camera captures that movement. This is a huge advantage for documenting near-miss incidents that happen at intersections where a bike-mounted camera might miss the angle. Just keep in mind that at 4K, battery life is roughly 90 to 100 minutes of recording, so for long tours, you'll want to utilize its record-while charging capability. Coming in at number 6, we have the Rexing MTC1. If you're looking for a dedicated set-it-and-forget-it system that covers both your front and your six, this is a fantastic entry point into the world of hardwired dual cams. The MTC1 records in Full HD 1080p at 30 FPS. While some higher-end units push into 4K, 1080p is often the sweet spot because it provides clear evidence without eating up your memory card in 2 hours. What really stands out here is the field of view. Both lenses feature a massive 170 degrees ultra-wide angle that is significantly wider than many competitors, giving you a sweeping view of cross-traffic. One of the best things about the MTC1 is its parking monitor feature. Because it's hardwired to your bike's battery, the G-sensor can trigger the camera to wake up and record if someone tinkers with your motorcycle, or if there's a vibration while you're inside grabbing a coffee. The MTC1 comes with a dedicated snapshot button that you can mount on your handlebars. If you see something incredible or something dangerous, one quick tap saves a protected photo and video clip from both cameras simultaneously. It's an emergency button that ensures your most important footage isn't overwritten by the loop recording. Next up at number 5 is a heavy hitter from a brand that knows a thing or two about mobile electronics, the Kenwood ST-ZRF 200WD. This system is built for serious, versatile installations. Whether you are on a standard naked bike, a massive touring cruiser, or even an ATV, this system is designed to go the distance. The ST-ZRF 200WD is built like a tank. It's rugged, weatherproof, and designed to withstand the high-frequency vibrations and heat that come with being mounted near an engine. What makes this a pro choice is the reliability of the recording. You aren't just getting a camera, you're getting a system designed to be a permanent part of your motorcycle's electrical grid. You turn the key, the Kenwood fires up, and you're protected. The image processing is tuned for high dynamic range, HDR, which handles the rapid changes in light you experience while riding, like dipping into a dark tunnel and coming back out into bright sunlight. The main brain of the Kenwood is designed to be tucked away under your seat. This keeps the exposed camera units incredibly small and discreet. It's the best choice for riders who have high-end custom bikes and don't want a bulky plastic camera ruining the aesthetic lines of their machine. At number 4, we have a product that's a game changer for anyone with an older bike, the Carpuride W603D. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a full 6.3-inch high-definition command center for your handlebars. If you've ever struggled to see your phone mounted on a bracket in direct sunlight, this is the solution. It features a stunning IPS touchscreen with 1000 nits of brightness, making it perfectly readable even under harsh midday glare. But the real magic is the integration. It brings wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to your motorcycle, allowing you to run navigation and music, while the dual 1080p cameras record everything in the background. It even supports a split-screen mode, so you can see your GPS on one side and a live feed of your rearview camera on the other. It's like having a high-tech digital mirror that eliminates blind spots. Use the included wired controller that mounts by your thumb. It lets you answer calls, switch camera views, or lock a video file without ever taking your hands off the grips. In a heavy rainstorm, you can even use the screen lock function on the controller to prevent water droplets from triggering accidental touches on the screen. Moving into the top 3, we have the Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit. Technically an action cam, but with its dedicated loop recording mode, it becomes one of the most powerful dash cams on the planet. The X3 captures everything in 5.7K 360-degree video. Traditional dash cams only see what's directly in front or behind. If someone swerves into you from the side, a standard camera might miss the Y. The X3 captures the entire sphere around your bike. In the event of an accident, you can reframe the footage in the app to look in any direction after the fact. The motorcycle kit includes a heavy-duty clamp and the famous invisible selfie stick. When you mount this to your bike, the software automatically stitches the stick out of the footage. The result? It looks like a silent drone is following you from 6 feet away. For dashcam use, enable loop recording in the settings. This allows the X3 to act just like a standard dashcam, overwriting the oldest footage so you never run out of space. Pair it with a high-speed UHS IV30 card to ensure the 5.7K data stream never stutters. At the number 2 spot is the INNOVV K7. If you've spent any time researching motorcycle dashcams, you know INNOVV is the gold standard for dedicated, discrete systems. The K7 features a dual camera setup that hits a sweet spot of 2K resolution at 30 FPS on both the front and rear. But here is the kicker. If you drop the resolution to 1080p, you can activate the Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS. This is a lifesaver for those of us with thumpy single-cylinder engines or anyone riding on rougher back roads. It smooths out the vibrations that usually make dashcam footage look like a shaky mess, giving you a clear view of license plates even at high speeds. The build quality is exceptional, aerospace-grade aluminum housings that are IP67 waterproof. It also features a 10Hz GPS module, which updates 10 times per second, providing incredibly accurate speed and location data. The K7 supports up to 512 GB micro SD cards, which is massive. That's enough for about 20 hours of 2K recording before it starts looping. This makes it the ultimate evidence box for long-distance touring riders who want to save their entire trip without swapping cards every few hours. Finally, taking the number 1 spot as the best motorcycle dashcam of 2026 is the Vantrue Falcon 1, F1. The Falcon 1 is the first major system to bring true 4K recording to the front camera, paired with a 1080p rear camera. Utilizing the Sony STA-RVIS sensor, the night vision on this unit is spectacular. It pulls detail out of the shadows that most other cameras would miss, which is critical for those late-night rides or early morning commutes. Both lenses offer a massive 160 degrees field of view. But what really pushed the Vantrue F1 to the top is the voice guidance system. Most dash cams just beep at you. The F1 talks to you. It will literally say "Start emergency recording" or "Memory card error." On a bike, where you can't exactly stare at a screen, having that audible confirmation is a massive safety boost. The F1 supports up to 1 TB micro SD cards, the highest in the industry. If you are a content creator or just someone who wants the absolute best quality possible, the 4K front/1080p rear combo on the F1 provides the most irrefutable evidence you can buy. So there you have it, the 7 best motorcycle dash cams for 2026. Whether you want the all-in-one simplicity of the Sena 50C, the 360-degree views of the Insta360 X3, or the raw 4K power of the Vantrue F1, there is an option on this list for every type of rider. Remember, a dash cam is like insurance. You hope you never need it, but you'll be incredibly glad you have it if you do. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which one of these you're considering. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next ride.